In April of 2026, I did something f***ing crazy. I made $190,000 in take-home money, pure profit, money in my pocket in one single month. Here is my actual banking app. April 2026, 190,000. You can see on the bottom there, it says 80,000 in average for the past 12 months. I'm just scrolling through. Basically every month is like 50, 60, 70, 90. August last year I did 150K, but as you can see, this is not a one-trick pony. One time I made 190K. No, I'm averaging over $80,000 every single month for the past 12 months, which 80,000 times 12, what is that? $960,000 in the last 12 months. And everyone always asks me, Ken, how on earth do you do it? What business are you in? My answer always surprises them because they expect all the normal online businesses that are remote, drop shipping, e-com, crypto, NFTs, some AI consultancy. It's none of that. What it is agency recruitment. I have my own recruitment firm. It's basically just me. That's all you really need in the agency recruitment world. And I basically find people for jobs. So what companies do is they say, hey, Kent, we're hiring XYZ, whether it's a software engineer, a head of sales, a head of operations, a CFO, an accountant, basically any sort of role that a company would hire for. A lot of times they have trouble doing that themselves. They either can't find the candidates because it's a really niche skill set or hard to find, or it's not that hard to find, but it takes a lot of time and the company and the founders and everyone else just is too busy growing their company to have time to go out and try and find great candidates. So then they use a recruiter like myself that has an agency and they say, hey, Kent, go find this person with XYZ skill set. If you find them, I will pay you 20 to 25% of their base salary. And if you start kind of doing the math on that, especially for these manager, VP, director type roles, the base salaries can easily get to 200, 250K per year. And the industry standard for recruitment is to pay the success fee, basically my fee for finding the person, 20 to 25%. So let's say it's a 200K base salary. That would be on the low end, 20% fee size. So that'd be a $40,000 fee to me. That's basically pure profit because I went and found the candidate for free in theory and then gave them to the company and then they hired them. Great. Now I just made $40,000. And so you start stacking a few of those up. You're doing, say you do 3-4 deals per month. You could easily be making $50, $100, $190,000 in one single month, basically pure profit. And that's kind of the beauty of agency recruitment. So in this video, I feel like the most common question I get asked is, hey, Ken, I want to start doing this. How do I start? So basically I'm going to be going through A to Z on what I would do if I had zero experience, had no idea what agency recruitment is. I wanted to start making money online, a lot of money, and basically how I'd set everything up. The first piece of advice that I give is basically to start recruiting for something you already know. Look at your current background, look at your current skill set, like what industries and jobs do you already know? Maybe the job you're doing right now is the best place to start. So for example, if you're an accountant and you want to start your own agency, start doing recruitment, what you should do is start recruiting for accountants because you already know the industry, you already know kind of like the jargon and basically the ins and outs of like what a good accountant looks for. So the learning curve for you would be a lot quicker compared to learning something completely different skill set wise. Or maybe you're in sales right now, either door-to-door sales, solar sales, whatever it is, or maybe you're a lab tech. Basically the options are limitless. Every single industry, every single skill set has a place in recruitment. The place where I would start is what you already know, what you're already good at, what you already do day to day, because that would be the easiest learning curve because you already do it. You know what good looks like. You know how to talk to hiring managers as far as like, hey, this candidate's really good or this one's not so much and here's what to look for. It's the easiest way to get started by far. So the first thing is just kind of to identify your niche and figure out which one you're going to attack first. So you've picked your niche, whatever skill set you have, whatever industry you know, you're going to start with that one first because you're just learning recruitment. So it helps to make the learning curve not quite as sharp at the very start. So say you picked a niche, maybe you picked medical device sales, for example. Great. You know that space, that's where you're going to start with. So the next thing you need is to get clients, basically companies that will use you as their recruiter and pay you for filling their roles. And what you need to do to basically get clients is you need to get bait. A lot of recruiters go about this the wrong way, where when they first try and get clients or get companies to be their recruiter, they reach out to a bunch of companies, a bunch of hiring managers and say, hey, I'm Kent or I'm whoever. I specialize in this space. I'm a recruiter. Like I can help you. Like what jobs do you have open? Complete wrong way to go about it because these hiring managers probably get messages like that all the time and they're not going to be that interested because you sound like everyone else. So why would they respond? They're just going to scroll past it and it really doesn't give them any value. So what do you do instead? You go to them with actual value. How you do that is you actually send them a candidate. You think about what problems does this hiring manager have have. Their problem is they don't have candidates for their roles. So they don't need a recruiter, they need a candidate. So go to them with something they need. So what you would do is you would either ping your network or just find some medical device salesperson that is on the market. There's tons of them. You just message them, hey, you look great. Are you on the market? Perfect. I'll shop you around. You get their resume, you get kind of their skill sets, what they're looking for. And now that is your bait. And so then you take that bait and then message it to hiring managers in the medical device space, because now you're coming at them with actual value. You're not saying, hey, I'm Kent, I'm specialized in this space. You're saying, hey, I'm Kent, I specialize in this space. And here's a candidate that looks perfect for your job. That's an amazing fit and they're exceptional for XYZ reasons. And that gets a 10x better response rate than just going in with nothing, going in empty handed. Because think about from the hiring manager's perspective, if you really need to hire and your boss is breathing down your neck and your team is missing deadlines because you really need to hire, and next thing you know, you see a candidate pop up in your inbox that looks amazing, you're going to respond to that because that is directly solving your pain and directly solving their problem. So first thing you need to do is get bait and then start blasting it out to everyone who looks relevant. You can do this a few ways. One is you can just do it via LinkedIn, send a connection request, send a note, which is actually quite effective, a little bit tedious. You can also use tools like Apollo, which is really nice for email sequencing, email marketing. That's a bit more of a, not spray and pray, but more of a like wide net approach. And then LinkedIn is kind of more like a sniper, very targeted approach, but it's best to do both because now you maximize your chances of success of hitting the right person at the right time. So the email marketing, the sniper approach, the wide net approach, once you've been doing that for about, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start getting clients that start responding to you and they say, hey, this candidate looks amazing. Let's hop on a call. Perfect. You hop on a call with them. You get terms signed. You say, hey, does this candidate look good? Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Okay. If they don't look good, I'll create a custom search for you and find exactly what you're looking for, Mr. Hiring Manager. Here's our terms. It's 20% contingent fee. So basically, if I find the person that you choose to hire, you pay me 20% of their base salary. That's industry standard. Everyone's going to say yes to it. They say yes. Perfect. Now you go find candidates for that person. They hire one of them. And next thing you know, you get a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 paycheck directly deposited into your account. So that's basically agency recruitment 101. It is not easy, but it is painfully simple. That's quite literally all it is. And really something to note too on the candidate side is all it is, especially for sales roles or really whatever vertical you choose, all you're doing is just finding someone that's done the same job in a similar environment and find someone that's done it well. Where do those people come from? They come from competitors. You can literally go onto ChatGPT right now and whatever company you're working for, whatever client you have, just type in, hey, I'm recruiting for this company. Who are their competitors? ChatGPT will give you a list of 10 of them right off the bat. And then all you do is go to those companies and find someone doing the same job there and doing it well. And there's your placement. Like it's quite literally, I don't want to say that easy, but it is that simple. And there you have it. That is how to start a recruitment agency 101 from A to Z. I know it doesn't seem like much, but it is that simple. Agency recruitment, I'll say it a million times. It is not easy, but it is painfully simple. And once you figure it out, once you figure out your niche, once you get some good clients, it is the best way by far, not even close, to make money online remotely in 2026. It's one of the few industries that's not saturated at all because no one talks about it. I'm probably the only YouTube video you've seen in the recent past that is talking about agency recruitment. Everyone's talking about drop shipping and e-commerce and crypto and day trading, all this different stuff. Agency recruitment, no one is doing it. So it is basically the opposite of saturated. The market needs more recruiters. And so it just makes it a lot easier to get started and create your own agency. And within months, you could be getting multiple 4, if not 5-figure paychecks from this space. I know that was a lot. I actually just started opening up new cohorts and new spots for one-on-one coaching. I actually just had a student join last week that within 1 week is already setting up client meetings and should be doing deals within 2 months tops. So there is a few more spots open for that. I am capping it at 10 students. So if you're interested in that, there is an application link in the description of this video. And of course, happy to dive into more details on that too. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time.